guys and gals, I'm Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to show you how to sharpen your pigtail standards. So the standards came with protective caps, but you remove them and they're still pretty flat. That's not going to go on the ground very easily, so we're going to just make them pointier. Alright, so we've got our pigtail standard, our blunt end, and we're just going to fix it real quick. Safety first, get your little goggles. Now we've got a tip that's going to go into the ground a little bit easier. Now we'll just repeat that 10 more times. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.